Welcome to U.S. Citizenship Test Practice. Join our WhatsApp group. The link is given in description. Let's begin. Officer. May I see your permanent resident card, your appointment notice, your state-issued identification, and your passport, please? Applicant. Yes, officer. Here are my documents. Please state your full legal name. Applicant. My name is David Michael Carter. Officer. And what is your date of birth? Applicant. March 18, 1989. Officer. Have you used any other legal name since becoming a permanent resident? Applicant. No, I have not. Officer. What brings you here today? Applicant. I'm here for my naturalization interview. Officer. Excellent. How long have you been a lawful permanent resident? Applicant. I've been a lawful permanent resident for 5 years. Officer. Did anyone come with you today? Applicant. Yes. My wife came with me, but she's waiting outside. Officer. What is the supreme law of the land? Applicant. The Constitution. Officer. Who makes federal laws? Applicant. Congress. Officer. What are the two parts of the U.S. Congress? Applicant. The Senate and the House of Representatives. Officer. Who signs bills to become laws? Applicant. The President. Officer. What is one responsibility that is only for United States citizens? Applicant. Serving on a jury. Officer. Who was the first President of the United States? Applicant. George Washington. Officer. Please read the sentence displayed on the tablet. Applicant. Citizens can vote in federal elections. Officer. Please write this sentence. Citizens vote for the President. Officer. Please confirm your current home address. Applicant. 742 Evergreen Drive, Columbus, Ohio, 43215. Officer. How long have you lived there? Applicant. 3 years. Officer. Where did you live before moving there? Applicant. I lived at 1550 Oak Street, Columbus, Ohio. Officer. Do you currently live with anyone? Applicant. Yes. I live with my wife and our son. Officer. What is your current marital status? Applicant. Married. Officer. What is your spouse's full name? Applicant. Emily Carter. Officer. Is your spouse a United States citizen? Applicant. Yes, she is. Officer. When did she become a United States citizen? Applicant. She became a citizen in 2019. Officer. When were you married? Applicant. We were married on June 12, 2020. Officer. Where did your wedding take place? Applicant. Columbus, Ohio. Officer. Do you have children together? Applicant. Yes. We have one son. Officer. What is his name? Applicant: Noah Carter. Officer: What is his date of birth? Applicant: September 3, 2022. Are you currently employed? Applicant: Yes, I am. Officer: Where do you work? Applicant: I work for Bright Tech Solutions. Officer: What is your position? Applicant: I'm a software engineer. Officer: How long have you worked there? Applicant: I've been working there for about 4 years. Officer: Is it full-time employment? Applicant: Yes, it is. Officer: Have you had any other jobs during the last 5 years? Applicant: Yes. Before my current job, I worked for Green Valley Technologies as a junior software developer. Officer: Approximately how long did you work there? Applicant: About 2 years. Officer: Have you traveled outside the United States? Applicant: Yes, I have. Officer: Approximately how many trips have you taken? Applicant: 4 trips. Officer: What was the purpose of your most recent trip? Applicant: It was a family vacation. Officer: Which country did you visit? Applicant: Canada. Officer: When did you leave the United States? Applicant: July 8, 2025. Officer: When did you return? Applicant: July 18, 2025. Officer: How many days were you outside the United States? Applicant: 10 days. Officer: Have you ever remained outside the United States for 6 months or longer on a single trip? Applicant: No, officer. Officer: Have you ever taken a trip that lasted 1 year or longer? Applicant: No. Officer: Since filing your N-400 application, have you taken any additional trips outside the United States? Applicant: Yes. Officer: How many? Applicant: 1. Officer: Where did you travel? Applicant: Mexico. Officer: What was the purpose of that trip? Applicant: Vacation. Officer: How long were you away? Applicant: 5 days. Do you file your federal income taxes every year? Applicant: Yes, I do. Officer: Have you ever failed to file a required tax return? Applicant: No. Officer: Do you currently owe any overdue federal, state, or local taxes? Applicant: No. Officer: Did you bring copies of your recent tax transcripts? Applicant: Yes, I did. Officer: Thank you. I see that you filed jointly with your spouse. Is that correct? Applicant: Yes. Officer: Have you ever claimed to be a non-resident for tax purposes after becoming a lawful permanent resident? Applicant: No. Officer: Were you ever required to register for selective service? Applicant, yes. Officer, did you register? Applicant, yes, I did. Officer, approximately when did you register? Applicant, shortly after I became a permanent resident. Officer, have you ever claimed to be a United States citizen? Applicant, no. Officer, have you ever registered to vote before becoming a United States citizen? Applicant, no. Officer, have you ever voted in any federal, state, or local election in the United States? Applicant, no. Officer, have you ever been declared legally incompetent by a court? Applicant, no. Officer, have you ever failed to support your dependents or pay court-ordered alimony? Applicant, no. Officer, have you ever failed to file your taxes when required? Applicant, no. Officer, have you ever been arrested, cited, or detained by any law enforcement officer? Applicant, yes. Officer, please explain. Applicant, I received a speeding ticket about 2 years ago. Officer, were you arrested? Applicant, no. Officer, did the incident involve alcohol or drugs? Applicant, no. Officer, did you pay the fine? Applicant, yes, I paid it immediately. Officer, do you have proof of payment? Applicant, yes. Here is the receipt. Officer, other than that traffic citation, have you ever been arrested? Applicant, no. Officer, have you ever been charged with a crime? Applicant, no. Officer, have you ever been convicted of a crime? Applicant, no. Officer, have you ever spent time in jail or prison? Applicant, no. Officer, have you ever been placed on probation? Applicant, no. Officer, have you ever been a habitual drunkard? Applicant, no. Officer, have you ever used illegal drugs? Applicant, no. Officer, have you ever been involved in illegal gambling? Applicant, no. Officer, have you ever helped someone enter the United States illegally? Applicant, no. Officer, have you ever lied to a U.S. government official to obtain an immigration benefit? Applicant, no. Officer, have you ever been removed, excluded, or deported from the United States? Applicant, no. Officer, have you ever failed to attend a required immigration hearing? Applicant, no. Officer, have you ever been a member of a terrorist organization? Applicant, no. Officer, have you ever participated in persecution of another person? Applicant, no. Officer, have you ever committed fraud to receive public benefits? Applicant. No. Officer. Have you ever practiced polygamy? Applicant. No. Officer. Have you ever been ordered removed by an immigration judge? Applicant. No. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest U.S. citizenship test practice and updates. Join our WhatsApp group, the link is given in description. Thanks for watching, stay safe, and we'll see you in the next video.